Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you, an example of how to convert or transform your two-dimension shape into a three-dimension object, right? I have the letter, something that looks like a letter A down here, all right? The first step is, of course, to put this object onto this isometric plane first. But how do I put it there? I will label the rectangle ABCD, and I'll label this side as ABCD as well. All right, then from the point A, corner A, I have one line coming down. Draw one line coming down. Now I will locate this point somewhere between B and C, right, somewhere here. So I will draw a line, and I have a vertical line coming down here, and this point is now here, so I will join to point B, right? Join to point B. Go up a little bit, right? Using the same way. I'm going to come up with like the letter A, something like that. So I know that I have a rectangle, something like a square in this manner. All right. Okay. Now, after I've drawn this, the next step is to add thickness. All right. We do it step by step. The first step, we do it here. Now I can copy this onto this block down here. This block. So I will copy this image over here using the same method, right? I will copy this over here, right? So that is the first. Come down a little bit. Come down. And then I have a whole little rectangle here. Okay, once you're done, right? Can you see this line down here and this line, right? All these are direction of the thickness. Now I'm going to add thickness. Now let's all standardize. I want letter A with a thickness of 1 cm. All right, 1 cm. So you have a ruler, you put down here, right? Put down here around 1 cm, right? 1 cm. I'll draw this. You need a vertical line, or vertical line here, up 1 cm. All right. Then at this point as well, you put, now your ruler must always be placed at this angle, right? At this angle, not any other angle. So it must always be parallel to this reference line here. All right. So I move over here. I can look at this, right? The ruler is parallel to this line, so 1 cm, right? And then I will join them. At the other end, right, I need a vertical line because there's a vertical line here, so I make a vertical line here, right? Same thing for this corner now. Put it down here. My ruler parallel to this line, 1 cm. Go up, and then join this. Right, now come to this point. Again, I will shift my ruler here. My ruler will still need to be parallel to this. Same thing, right? I draw line 1 cm, and that's it. Right, I have transformed the letter A from a two-dimensional shape to a three-dimensional object. All right. Okay. How about this thing inside? Right. I will put my ruler here. Again, must be parallel to this line. Down here, I will draw 1 cm. If I draw 1 cm, it should end down here at this point. Right, at this point. But however, let me show you. If I extend over here, this part down here, this part is blocked by the surface. So my line should end only down here. Right, should end only down here. Okay, I want you to try it for the rest of the exercise. Right, you have U, K, and O. Now for letter U, I will show you in another video how you handle the curves. Right.